Hey, so I just wanted to do a quick video. I had a question about how I get the tips to stick to practice hands from Nailed by Chelsea, I believe her channel name is. So for that one, the more realistic looking hand, I just use these little they're like if you want full cover tips, it's the short coffin or something like that. I just had them from when I used to do press-ons, and I just slide that in there. And then tip for any of the little practice hands, if you have issue with tip sticking, I would say really thin tips like these. These are the Eden tips. They're really thin, so they're easier to stick on, but this little hand, anything sticks to that because it's just like a little tip that you slide in there. So it does it pretty easy. These, on the other hand, these are probably the ones that you have at home. All of our first ones. These are different tips that I got. That clear one I just got, so I haven't actually used it yet, the clear ones, but this first one I think is what I really like. It's like a harder plastic. This second one, I have a ton of those and I just don't like them. And then the third one is the clear one I haven't used yet. This is my first time using it. It's from Pana on Amazon. I got all of them off Amazon. It's just hard to figure out. So, what first off, I clip off the tip just basically practicing, right? So when you're practicing, practice like you're actually doing your nails. If you have that much nail on your finger, you're going to cut it off. And see the second one, it's like not really hard, so it's hard to, clip off. And then the clear one, when I tried to do it, it cracked in half. So these aren't really the best, but just get your practice in. And then I remove the shine, just like if you're doing your nails, just to kind of get the motion going, to remember all the steps. Cut off extra, remove the shine, and that actually helps a little bit with the sticking. But I do have a tip on how to get it to stick if even all of this doesn't work. Like that one in the middle, it's just so hard to get anything to stick to it, and I have a ton of them, and it's really annoying. I wish I could have links, but I kind of just buy stuff, honestly. I don't really keep up with it, but I know the clear one is from Pana because I just got those. But the other ones, I don't know. I wish I knew where I got the first one because I actually like that one. So, you put your glue down, right? And you put your tip on. Boom. Don't want to stick. So, I'm going to show you a little trick on, if you sit there long enough, it'll stick, but anybody got time for all that. So, remove that shine again, the shine from the glue. And the hack is just this glue spray, basically. It dries glue instantly, but don't spray it actually on the glue. Spray it on the tip, the back of the tip. Just a tiny little bit. And then place the tip onto the glue, and it'll stick. That's my tip if you're having issues. Glue spray, I got it from Sally's Beauty Supply. No, I didn't. I lied. They sell it at Sally's Beauty Supply. See, it won't stick. So just spray the back of it. Don't spray the actual glue because it's going to be dry and then you won't be able to put the tip on there. But the glue spray, I got that from Amazon because whenever Sally's opened back up after being shut down, it wouldn't, they didn't have anything on the shelves really, so I got it off Amazon. But now they do have it back at Sally's. Some of them, maybe, I don't know. I think it's like $10, but I use it for my jewels too, just to dry the glue. And that one just stick by itself without spraying it. So maybe you don't need it if you get that clear one, that clear tip. But yeah, just a little hack if you're having issues sticking them on, and then that little realistic hand, you really don't need it. So thank you. See you in my next video.